Today I'm going to be reviewing a luxury brand. It starts right now. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and to a new video. If you're new here, you can start by subscribing to my channel and make sure to turn the notifications on. I upload up to 7 videos per week. Yeah. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys 2 different products. I have a cream foundation as well as a cream concealer. Now these are by a brand called Lioness, and they have a beauty bar where you can go and get your makeup done for special events. They also carry these products in their store for you to buy. The foundation itself is $75 and the concealer retails for $40. I had never heard of this brand before a few days ago. So I did read a bit on their website, and I'm going to share with you guys some of the things that caught my eye on this website. So it says Lioness is a globally recognized luxury brand offering over 100 lavish beauty products ranging from high-end makeup, hair tools, and hair care to luxurious skincare. Lioness Beauty Bar combines elegance and innovation to produce a one-stop shop for all your skincare and beauty needs. Now, going through this website, I did notice that the makeup selection is quite small, but their hair and skincare selection is insane. I'm talking $1,000 serums for your face. Like, this is legit luxury, and I'm honored to be bringing this to you guys today. So make sure that you drop a like if you like what you see, and in here you get the standard 1 fluid ounce. I'm like, $75 for a foundation, like, girl. Right, I got my foundation brush and this awesome foundation. I'm just going to dip it in with my foundation brush. Oh my god, it's like really thick. Like really thick. I don't want to get too much. Ooh. Alright, so we're just going to start with that. Now I'm going to apply it with a synthetic brush. Alright, now I need to pause just for a second. This feels like a whipped mousse, kind of like the Maybelline Matte Mousse, Dream Matte Mousse, the Dream Collection. It is very airy, I want to say. It doesn't feel like a liquid. It feels more like I'm putting mousse on my face. It's not, the coverage is, but as far as it covering my pores, I'm like, already, this is amazing. Now, this shade is a little bit on the dark side for me. Maybe while I was in my self-tanning stage, maybe this shade would be good, but I would probably need 1 to 2 shades lighter, but on their website they only offer 4 shades. Like, come on. Other than that, I mean, I'm not seeing that it is drying my face out at all. I know that my mother-in-law said that she applies it with an oil to better enhance the oils in it so that her skin isn't drying out. Alright guys, on to concealer. Now this is the component for the concealer. I'm like, yes, sleek, yes, girl, this is so nice. Again, with the Precious Lioness logo. Okay, so this concealer is in the shade number 3. And I was kind of bummed that I could not find a setting powder on the entire website. Other than that, I mean, let's just dive into this concealer. I do have my concealer brush, and I am just going to apply a little bit under the eyes and the higher points of my face. Now this is in the shade number 3, but number 4 was definitely too yellow for my liking. So this one is a warmed undertone toned concealer, and let's just hope that we don't have to add any brightening. So again, just underneath the eyes. Okay, this is really yellow. Close by the stormy seas, oh, you meant the world to me. I want to get it all the way up, and let's just conceal like we normally would. Okay, so this is definitely full coverage. I was able to clean up my eyeshadow using it, and I mean, yes. This is definitely a mousse-like product. Very, very, very small amount will get you there. This is a very heavy concealer as far as coverage is concerned, but as far as color, I don't see any of my bags, and I would not color correct using this. I am going to add a brightening concealer on the bridge of my nose and blend it in, and then I will be back with my final thoughts once I get the rest of this mug going. Alright guys, I have completed the rest of my face. All of the products that I already own applied above this foundation and concealer duo. Now my final thoughts on these products are this component and packaging is A+ for luxury. Hello, it feels like you're getting your money's worth. So I am noticing that there is no patchiness on my nose. Like I always have an issue with accidentally rubbing my nose or rubbing my chin, leaning my hand down. Alright, we have reached the end of today's video. If you like what you've seen in this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and comment down below. Remember, your comments help with the growing of my channel, and I truly appreciate each and every one. You've officially been touched by heaven. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.